Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing something a little bit different, but highly requested. It is my oral hygiene video. So if you're interested in how I keep my teeth so white, please keep on watching.
Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
Okay guys, so first off, excuse my hair. I'm about to wash my face and go to bed, but a few things. Typically I brush my teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before I go to bed. You can definitely brush, after every meal, yada yada yada, but what I do is typically at minimum twice a day. So this video might be a little ASMR because I do have my mic on. This is more of an extended routine, like all the possible things that you could do to your teeth. But one thing is, mouthwash. And this is just some Dollar General antiseptic mouthwash, whatever. If you want an extra little minty feel, you could start off with a little mouthwash. So for me, I feel like mouthwash sometimes, especially blue mouthwash, it sometimes leaves like a little film on your teeth, but we're gonna get there. Well, first of all, my dentist always told me that we must have had fluoride in our water where we went to like school and daycare because I have like kind of white splotches on my teeth. And I don't know if y'all can see them, but that's what they look like. Two main tips I have for whitening your teeth. The first one I actually don't have on hand because I need to buy some more, but is brushing your teeth with baking soda. This is how I used to do it. I used to wet my toothbrush and then put my toothbrush in the baking soda and pull it out, and it'll be like coated with baking soda, and then I would just brush my teeth. Brush my teeth, rinse my mouth. That's the first way that you can like whiten your teeth. The second way, which my full disclaimer, I am not a dentist, I'm not an oral surgeon, I am not any medical nothing, so you gotta try this, at your own prerogative. No liability on me. But what I've always done, now I'm still here today, is I rinse my mouth with peroxide. And this is just some regular peroxide that you get from, Walmart or whatever. Oh wow, it definitely says for external use only. Well, like I said, this is what I've done. So I get some of this, and now no swallow. You working? It'll foam up, and you work. Spit that thing out, rinse, don't swallow nothing, rinse and spit it back out. Okay, so that's, like I said, that's what I personally do. I've seen someone on like Instagram or YouTube or TikTok, and they basically made like a cream paste, like almost like a toothpaste texture out of the peroxide and baking soda. They just mixed it together and then brushed their teeth with it. That's an option as well. but that's what I do. Rinse my mouth with this and or do the baking soda, brushing your teeth with baking soda. Okay, so the next thing, which is my standard day-to-day, you don't have to rinse with peroxide every single day, maybe like once a week or so. But for regular day-to-day action, first off, I like to go ahead and floss when I do floss, because I don't floss all the time. I'm gonna be honest, my sister is a dentist. I should do better. But I'm just getting some floss. And we're gonna floss between these teeth because stuff be stuck up in there. Whether you think it is or it's not, it's in there. Fun fact, if you didn't know, if you go to the dentist regularly, so once every 6 months, and like they're like, have you been flossing? There's no need to lie because they know. If you don't be flossing, your gums gonna bleed. I'm just a little tip, so ain't no need to lie. Just tell them no. Just tell them no, because they already know. And obviously when you floss, you want to like loop the floss around the tooth and go up and down the sides, both sides of the tooth. And I don't know, people must clean their mirror every day if they floss every day, because I just be flicking all kind of whodunit. And you want to make sure you do behind the last tooth in your mouth as well. So whether that's your wisdom teeth or you got them pulled and you got that last molar back there, get around all of them. Look at that. Ew. And as you're flossing, you're supposed to like wind it down to a new piece of floss. So after you do that, you can rinse again with some water. Then the main step, brushing your teeth. So I just use any toothbrush. I have like a stash of toothbrushes because every time I go to the dentist, I get a new one and I just kind of stock them up. And remember, you should be getting rid of your toothbrush like every one to 3 months. I'm sure it might even be more than that. Who knows? I don't know specifically, but I'm suggesting get rid of your toothbrushes. If the hairs are like that on your toothbrush, get rid of it. And you brushing too hard. You're not supposed to brush hard. Did you know that? I just found that out this year. You're not supposed to brush hard. So wet my toothbrush, and then the toothpaste that I use, which I think has a really big impact on how white my teeth are, is the Arm & Hammer Advanced White toothpaste, and this is the Extreme Whitening. And I think this has something to do with it because it is naturally powered by baking soda. So baking soda is your friend when whitening your teeth. And it says it provides stain defense, low abrasion, and neutralizes acid, which is good because you don't want all the acidity, eating at your enamel. I don't know if that's scientific, but it sounded right. But anyway, we're gonna use, the purpose is an anti-cavity toothpaste as well, and it aids in the prevention of dental decay. So anyway, it helps with all that and whitens your teeth. So I go ahead and put me a little dollop on there. A dollop of Daisy. And then I proceed to brush my teeth. Now, you're supposed to brush your teeth a lot of ways. So you gotta do the sides, the inside of the sides, the tops of them. You want to get, you know, around the gums, but not too hard where you're bleeding or anything. That's why I say you're not supposed to brush hard. And then you want to do the back side, the front side of your teeth, you know, all of that. Ooh, ooh, I done threw the toothpaste off. So anyway, I'm gonna just go ahead and brush my teeth. Don't forget your tongue. Now we rinse. Okay, so the last step, one more step. This also makes sure your breath smells good. You know what this is? This is a tongue scraper. They also have the ones that come shaped like this already. But all you're gonna do is scrape your tongue. It's exactly what it says, scrape your tongue. So you hold the ends, fold it like this. Be careful not to go too far back, because you know you're gonna gag and that's nasty. So yeah, so we gonna go ahead and, I'm sorry, I know this is nasty, but I'm just showing y'all. If your tongue white, honey, you need to clean it. If you got milk tongue, baby tongue, you need to clean it. I ain't gonna show y'all what's all on. Y'all wanna see it? Jesus ain't want y'all to see it. Then once you do that, you are ready to go, honey. That is all. So on a day-to-day, like I said, I just brush my teeth with my Arm & Hammer Advanced White Extreme Whitening Toothpaste. And then the additional steps for teeth whitening is either rinsing with peroxide or brushing with baking soda itself. Those are my 2 tips, and then my oral hygiene. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been long awaited. I don't do anything super special except for the steps that I showed y'all in this video. So I hope this helps somebody and it works out for you. And yeah, I love y'all so much. If y'all watched this far and y'all ain't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below and join the Gym Squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. Okay, hunty? So make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit that like button. And while you're down there, go ahead and turn on your notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. And y'all, without further ado, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be beautiful. Bye, guys. Floss, Lord. Why am I? Great goodness. Oh, my doggone tongue scraper. Oh, Lord. I just forgot everything for this video. I am not an orthodontist.